Are we working now? Okay, we good? Are we good? Are we good? Sorry. Oh no, I'm back, I think. Are we working? Yes, we're working. Hey, hi life, what's up? How's it going? How's it going? I'm back. Just things. Anyways, hi life, how was the rest of the trading? Did you manage to get anything good? Or not really? No, it wouldn't have tagged me in. I mean, it would have eventually got there. Damn, that one ran away from me. Pity, it would have been a win. Oh, well. Why does today kind of look good for the 4-hour strategy? Doesn't matter. Okay. Yeah, I was, but it's fine. Hello from Russia. Hello back from South Africa. Heisenberg, what's up? The Shvam, hi. Ooh, well done, High Life. That's amazing. Whoop whoop. Kaden, do I have kids? Nope. Well, yes, I have a fur baby. That counts. Heisenberg, I did. Unfortunately, yeah. Well, I say unfortunately, no. So it was unfortunately a loss. Got ticked out literally just this itty bitty little bit, but that's fine. That's fine. Tyler, hey, what's up? How's it going? Made 50k off of deal on Monday. Told you to buy the last week. Yeah, made trade. Well done. That's awesome. Super trader, Barry and Finn, what are you asking about them? Just how they are. They're good. They're good. Yeah. Make my notes here. Those were taken out. Awesome. Okay. Those were taken. Okie dokie. Guys, thoughts for today? What do we think is going to happen? He's slowly going down. I'll check the higher time frames now. Pets are the children of our generation. Hell yeah. And I love it. I've been looking for ICT traders that trade live. How long have I been trading? Grace and Glory Trader. Hi, how you doing? Yeah, how long have I been trading? Well, I mean, I've only been trading in general since April, so I'm still new. Sorry. Slow but good, but Grace and Glory Trader, there's a lot of people that trade the ICT concept on this stream. So this is definitely the place to be if you want the community and people to chat to and help out with regards to the ICT and depends on what model you use, if you will. Do you just use ICT like point by point? I want to ask. Does it get cold in South Africa? For me, yes, it's probably not that cold. I think, yeah. Yeah, it's not actually that cold today. I'm just a big baby. Super trader? Very creepy question to ask. Made straight. I'm Gulf Shores, Alabama, drive from Chicago. Wow, that is awesome. Made to trade, that is so cool. Solly, there we go. Crypto Roach, howdy howdy, how's it going? There's news tonight, so a lot of uncertainty. What time is the news, guys? Oh, I see. A lot later. Hey Justin, how's it going? Good morning to you, good afternoon to some other people, but I know it's morning for a lot of people. Oh damn, Grace and Glory for 4 years, and I'm assuming profitable? Just going to be careful as always and be safe today. Yeah, 100%, that's the only way forward. Hey Prish. Am I here all the time? Christian, yes. Well, what do you mean by all the time? Do I stream every day? Is that what you're asking? Because yes, I do. I stream every day. At the gym right now. Damn! Look at you go. I mean, I went for a run yesterday. I haven't actually found a gym here. Small towns. So, I mean, there's a gym, but the cost for it is just dumb. It's way too expensive. So I've just been kind of doing at-home gym and going for runs and things. And I mean, I went to go ride now. GX, what entry am I waiting for right now? Well, I'm waiting for the New York Open. I'm not gonna even look at a trade until New York opens. Going good, hoping for another green day today. I mean, Justin, that would be ideal, right? A good midnight to you. There we go, Solly. I can't believe it's midnight there. You're not like... Just thinking about that made me tired. Wow. Chico, where's hus at? Are you asking like husband? GX, are you looking for a trade right now? Or what's your plans? Okay, wait, I wanted to quickly, let me block everything for a sec. I say block, hide everything. Check the higher time frames. Quick sticks. Ewy. Okay. Okay. You're hoping for a red day so you can hold more. Rambo 831 inversion. Hey Rambo, by the way, how's it going? How's it going? Gym's overpriced, only works if you have medical aid for the 75% discount. Yeah. Yeah, otherwise I was just like, it's a little bit excessive. It's a bit excessive, but maybe one day. Crypto Roach, damn. Well, I mean, you could have worse habits, right? You could have worse habits. Going to the gym that often is not a bad thing. But I don't know, do you go play games with friends? You're going full nocturnal next week when New York daylight saving. I know, sorry, I'm busy thinking I need to change a bunch of things around. Like I might not be able to go see the horse. I mean, maybe I'll just have to start streaming a little bit later to go with the daylight savings. Damn, hey Trentsby, another Australian. Hey, sorry, I'm not Australian. Solly's Australian. Oh, that's rough. Rambo, I cannot complain. G, what up? How's it going? Oh! Here we go. I'm not even going to pretend to assume what's gonna happen. I'm gonna wait for... Yeah. I'm gonna wait for New York Open. Oh, here we go. Speaking of, here's New York Open. No, it's not, is it? Yes, it is. Okay, I was about to say, damn. Okay, let's see what happens. Hey, Jordy. How's it going? Oh, yeah. Yeah, so I hop on the live twice a day for the London and the New York stream, but yeah, I'm here every day. Oh, only 2 trader. Hey, you're not trading today? Why? What's up? You're Rambo, obviously, all random. Extend 8:31, so like an hour ago. No, man, there we go. So this is that what you're talking about, Rambo? The RIP 26297. Okay, RIP, why do you say it's interesting? So I have it here as the liquidity point. But what makes you say it's interesting, out of curiosity? Like just a point of interest? Or... Okie dokie. Oh, I need to stop yawning. Damn, guys. It's a little bit cooler today. It's a little bit overcast, and my body's going, it's time for bed. Hey, Skeletor. That was really good, Skeletor. Super Trader. We have a friendship. What do you think this is? We sit and we chat every single day, except for weekends. But to be fair, I don't really talk to anyone on weekends. That's like chill time. Very high probability target till 9:45. Yeah, interesting. I'm trading because of SMC, so I'm gonna save some capital and stay out today. I was gonna trade London, but nothing for me there. Yeah. Holy cow. Well, here we go, RIP. It's going. Guys, I'm so hungry today. Wow. I am so hungry. Okay. I'm assuming it's gonna want to stay potentially bullish. To meet me, Super Trader, I mean, I feel like we stay very far away from each other, just saying. Okay, well, I mean, this liquidity has been taken. Clearly a little bit of resistance over there. You think bearish? Why do you think bearish, Rambo? Oops. Justin. I'm saying nothing. I'm saying nothing. Anyways. Who's flip. Justin, what are you hoping for today, by the way? So there we go. Super trader, you think bullish. Hey, Shub. No. I literally only hopped on how long ago? 17 minutes ago? Bearish SMT. Okay. It's a tad bit volatile right now. So I'm not gonna do it, but this? Nope, too volatile. Nope. Hey, awesome. I'm glad. Shub, are you gonna be trading today? You staying out because of FOMC? What's your plan? Skeletor, do you have kids, out of curiosity? Because your dad jokes are on point. I'm just saying. Shub, no, I don't. Who dad? Oh, thanks for the sub, Frank. How many of these do you have backed up? Solly, I've asked him that all the time. I've asked him if he Googles them or if they're just things that he remembers. Remember till 9:45, that's very important. If it doesn't take it by then, you have a very strong hint there. Ooh, okay, rip. Interesting. 9:26, 9:27 is too smooth. What do you mean by too smooth, Rambo? Like the bottoms? What do you mean by too smooth? Super trader, do I like Nelson Mandela? Hell yeah. Damn. Back into that zone. Huh. Hey Santo, what up? Santosh? There we go. See, sell, hold. Holy guacamole, okay. Make a note there. Glad I didn't do that, but anyways. Yep, 9:26, 9:27 swept. Solidly. Easy work. I feel like I need to sit on my hands until something proper for me shows up. For me being the key word here, because I'm sure some proper things have shown up for a lot of people already. But anyways. This is both. Some are Googled, some are randomly memory. Oh, there we go, Skeletor, you're an uncle. That makes sense. Yeah, just 100%. I think, like, sit on your hands or play with random pins for your 3D printed nightmares. It's quite cute though, hey? Except I'm throwing things around. Anyways, that's thanks to the ADHD, guys. Take range short for funsies. LP, are you crazy? LP, this one. This one? For funsies. Remember, first purge buy side, then sell side. Now we can move back to take buy side again. Then it's double purge theory. LP, if this is a win, I don't know if I would laugh or cry. I don't think this is gonna be a win. It's... Okay. What the heck? Well, I mean, interesting. No exit sign for buy, still on buy for now. Okay, son. Fine, you have a buy bias. Sorry, I'm so used to you having like a sell bias. First purge buy side, then sell side. Now we can move back to take buy side again. This double purge theory. Interesting. No ways. Alfie, I don't know if I'll start like giggling or crying. Maybe a little bit of both. $831 respect again. Ah, interesting, yeah. 9940. Yeah, I see right here. Huh. Very interesting. Hello. What up, clinic? How's it going? Yeah, obviously Rambo. Obviously Rambo. Clinic, what do you think is gonna happen today? What are your thoughts? Oh, that would have taken me out. This went to 1R, I think. Yeah, I think it's gonna take out. Oh, LPC sometimes not for funsies is a bad idea. Just, I think I'm gonna wait to see a candle close, not just the wick, either above 816 or below 842. Oh, sorry, that took me a minute. I was like, what? Then I realized you meant time. Yeah. So above 816. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong time. That took me a minute. I was like, what do you mean? There we go. Don't mind me. There we go. 816 or 8. So basically you wanted to properly get out of this range, right, Justin? Klinik, you want to see it go to the downside. Okay, what are you hoping it goes to get? Wow. There's a lot going on here today. Is this just because of FOMC? YM is strong, that is not good for NQY, Rambo? I have not even looked here like an absolute twit. There we go. That's... That's not great, is it? I would love for them to just work together for a change. I saw. Rambo, I did see. I was like, okay. Low market recovery half. it's tapped in enough. Today rate cuts, but mostly already priced in last week. Oh, okay, we have the change. That makes sense. That makes sense. Lol, what up? How's it going? Not laughing at you, that's your name. Anyways. Let's see what today brings, out of curiosity. I don't know if we'll get a trade in today. And I mean, that's fine, it is what it is. Kalalani, is it cold here? No. I'm just a baby, so for me, it's cold. And this morning, I had a really bad headache, so having my headband on was like giving me a proper headache. So I thought, let me put this on. And it was really comfy, so I'm sticking with this for today. Lol, so I use a combination of ICT and SMC concepts, and I have my own little GAN box over here. Yeah, so that's my strategy. Sorry, obviously there's more that goes into it, but that was a very brief, very basic, boom, there it is. Creative media. Do I trade XAU USD? No, I don't. Sorry, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. GX, what up? The RIP, yes. This is literally barcoding properly. Also, it's 9:45. RIP, and it hasn't taken out that. So does that hint at the fact that we might be going down? Yes? Potentially. Why 9:45 out of curiosity? Is it like the thing that it has 15 minutes to make a... Yeah. I don't know, make a move. Understood, but am I profitable? Not yet, lol. So I've only been trading since April. I say only, and I know for some people that's a long time and some people are profitable already. But I only actually found this strategy 2 months ago. Yeah, I think 2 months ago. Before that, I was kind of strategy hopping and it was a disaster. Oh, thank heavens I didn't take that. Anyways. And it was a disaster. So yeah, I'm not profitable yet. Like I said, I'm here to be 100% brutally honest with regards to everything that I do. That's why I have like my P&L and everything up. Yeah, everything up for everyone to see, because I know some people think these can be scam things saying you're gonna get rich quickly. Nope. Basically here for the journey. Yeah. And the amazing community. Yeah, met the coolest community here. Extend 749. Wait, let me do... this one right here. Arambo. Yeah. Probably start to drop for that level a lot from 945. Oh, interesting. Lol, thank you, by the way. Sharon, hi. My daily records. I think I said that correctly. Hi, how are you doing? Means that it will not look at it as a target if no other confluence is supporting it. Interesting. Zubair, what's up? Thomas, how's it going? Hey, Prof 23. How you doing? How you doing? I'm excited for it to get out of this range. Ah, my daily records. I'm glad. How's the trading been going? How's the trading been going for everyone? Okay, Thomas, damn. No need to flex like that. Calm down. I'm joking. That's awesome. Well done. What move did you catch? Or have you been doing a lot of small ones? Today is a bullish day. Ooh, Monster Marv? Interesting. There's a lot of people who are disagreeing with you on that one. Yeah. The rip, yes, it just needs to move. It's literally, I forgot the word again. It's not ping pong ball. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I keep forgetting the name. Oh, you guys know what I'm talking about. We're just ding 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 ding. Oh, anyways, it doesn't matter. See, 2 streams. The landscape one has no sound. Probably doesn't matter. That's weird, really. No sound at all. It should have sound. Huh. JJ? Why does it not have sound? Daily records, I've been on a losing streak. Oh, don't worry. Been there plenty of times, and I'm sure I will be there again. It's like someone said, when can I finally go on a winning streak? That would be ideal. Market is going to be messy. Bias is bearish today. See. Thank you for asking. Let's wait 10 minutes. Hopefully you'll see the market do what it needs to do. Prof23, what do you think it's going to do? Hey, yo! Is it going to close above here, finally? Or is it just going to wick in again? Wiki, wiki. Anyway. Monster Marv. You got me there. Let others lose money in there. No, 100%. Pinball machine. Thank you, Crypto Roach. It's like we've had this discussion before and I forgot what it was called then as well. Pinball machine. Thank you. Yes. It's gonna drive me crazy. Yeah, tonight for us, but later this afternoon for everyone else, FOMC. I wonder if a lot of people have decided to just not trade today. I know already a few were like, nah. We are the change. Thank you for letting me know. I was trading right before you streamed on 9. I was up 6 hours. I lost and called it a 9. Damn, Thomas. You are just a cool kid. One day when I'm big, guys. One day when I'm big, I'll be as cool as Thomas is. But for now, I'm still itty bitty. Sun, countdown. Hey, okay, tapped into that price. We're gonna finally close above. Okay, well, we finally closed above. Buy side swept. Now we know what double purge there is. Okay, Rambo. So, Rambo, you still think it's gonna go down? Oh, interesting, Monster Muff. Hey, some guy, how's it going? How was work? Crypto's move right now, to be honest. Been in the game for 6 years. We'll trade after the dust settles after. Ah, okay. So you're just leaving me all on my own, some guy. How rude. Some guy, I forgot to tell you, by the way. Well, last night... Yeah, no. Last night when you hopped off, someone else with the username, there we go. Of some guy, but I think his was like some guy TN or whatever, but someone else called some guy hopped onto the live and I was like, whoa, there's two. Anyways. BTC sells. Settles, market manipulation in. Yep. Jordy, I see some guy has already told you that. Don't stress. Also, 1 to 1 R, 50% win rate for break even. 1 to 2, 40% win rate for break even. Oh, did you go and do some back testing, Thomas? Some guy cool. I'm glad. The FOMC, it's definitely going to hurt both sides of the market, buyers and sellers, maybe. But come 8 p.m. we'll see the full scale range. Personally, I'd love for it to go up to all-time highs. Wow, there's so many conflicting theories. Thoughts once. There we go. Including beyond that's balance. Is government charging extra taxes for people? Oh yeah, that was terrible. Thanks. There can only be one. I'm so sorry, some guy. True, JJ. People know this some guy. They don't know some other guy named some guy. I'm gonna confuse a lot of people if they hop on now and they're just like, what is going on? Should provide some volatility. We got 5 minutes. Oh, it's headed for the London highs now. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, well, at least this was taken and this now officially was taken. Let's see what happens. Now it's going to support price higher. Okay, should. Yes, it did. It did, Rambo. Nicely done. Laptop is blank on my side now. It hurts. I'm not even in the market. I'm just a spectator. No, Prof, what's happening? Better RR. You can lose a lot and still make money. True. Yeah, 100%, Thomas. That's, and it makes sense. You know, it's like I said with my strategy where it's like a 40% win rate out. It's not bad because it's a 1 to 2R, but it could be better because it's a 1 to 2R. Yeah. Ellipses. Hi. We are trading Nasdaq futures. Just taking out the London high. Cool. Do we think it's gonna continue pushing up, up, and away? Kind of looks like it. Hey, Clayton. How's it going? How are we doing this cold day? It's not actually that cold. I'm just a baby. But good. Good. I can't complain. I had the worst headache in the world this morning. I actually wasn't sure if I was going to end up trading or even being able to go live, but I did. And luckily I took some medication and the headache went away, and now I feel like a superstar, so we're good to go. Profit secure, 50k dollar done with my team. Damn, son, look at you go. The Nigerian nightmare, want to be my wife? I feel like we gotta meet in person first, sorry. Sacho-san, what up? Is anyone also having issues with TradingView? Let me ask. Anyone else struggling with TradingView? Are things happening? Clayton, any rain back? Not yet. I was told it was going to. It's super overcast, super freaking overcast. And the humidity is unreal. Unreal. When I was riding, I was like sweating because I was just like, what? But no rain yet. I was crazy though. 3 is cool, 5 is for swing trades. In 1 minute, let's see. Okay, Rip, let's see. Remember, I did have the volume band, didn't I? I'm pretty sure I did. Okay. 2 minutes. minute. Oh my gosh. Seriously, is what then? Or I hope it comes to. I have mixed feelings about that because part of me is like, yeah, it would be great. Another part of me is like, I'm so sick and tired of this weather. I haven't been able to do washing this whole week because it's just been overcast and threatening. Ooh, nice, some guy. That's amazing, by the way. Monster Mob, are you asking me what my biggest win was? Like, in one trade or for the day? So, a long way to go to the moon for now. Cool. Hey, David. Welcome, welcome. Was normal until you rocked up. One trade. Oh, Monster Mob. I say not that much. How much? Probably around $600? Around there? Trent? What? What? Trent, I feel like you need to elaborate on that a little bit. Oh. What about I'm on the 2 minute? Let me check the 5 minute quick sticks. This would be a good entry, but it kind of looks like it's just running away. Took out London High. Stop it, stop it, stop it, stop. Oh my goodness, there we go. Just do that for a second, thanks. If I'd done this. Oh, it would have missed me. I would have been grumpy. Trent, the pigeon stole your food? Well, that's just rude. Trading traditional pairs without minimal leverage is kind of slow. Monster Mob, that's solid, this trade. Oh, you, never mind. Ignore me. Oh, yeah, Clayton, it's crazy, this side of the world, but anyways. So I only trade crypto, volatility is where the money is. Your biggest was 300. Nice, Monster Mob. That's really good, though. Can't complain about that. If this is the reversal, I'm screwed. If not, this is a really good entry, I think. Wait, let's see how massive this is. No, man, this is good. I got 1, 2, 3. David, no, not yet. I don't know if this is a good idea. Clayton, you think this is the reversal? What? Ideally, I'm happy with buy side being taken. Look at the territory one, all-time highest creating. Well, those lows are hanging in the balance, but the market could continue higher. Cool, so it is a little bit of a question mark, except for this. I don't like this. Okay, on the plus side, ES and NQ are looking better. Deadly. Sorry. My dog being a very good guard dog. Can I tap in there? Holy cow, okay. See if this respects it again. Brian, glad you're doing this. Does it work? Well, these $5 a day or more. Yeah, slowly but surely it's respecting this freaking level again. What the hey diddly day? Well, bounced off of it a little bit. Thanks, David. Yeah, guys, if you're at least having some entertainment watching me question my life choices, don't forget to press that like button. Thanks. Gosh and bug. Damn, look at you go. Maybe when I'm big, gosh and bug, then I'll be cool like you. Brian, do I help people point? No, sorry, I'm still learning things. I'm very much still figuring things out, so I don't want to even pretend to say, yeah, I've got this. I will point you in the wrong direction. I can point at things and then maybe you do the opposite. Yeah, 9.5, too smooth. Win is a win, even if it's a low win. Monster mob, 100%. Just feel market like your friend, and then that's how you know how to work with doing that thing. Oh, nice, Justin. That's amazing. Well done. Oh, this would have been a loss. Glad I did not know. Yeah. Okay. Woof. Are you done? Are you done? Okay, he's done. Brian, how much do I risk? I normally risk around $200 per trade. Ellipses, a little bit. Just a itty bitty little bit. I thought this potentially would have been a goodie. Clayton, thanks for the the heads up. So what gave you the signal that this was the reversal, Clayton, out of curiosity? Okay, he's over himself. There's dogs barking outside and he's just like, oh my goodness. Once more, you always use $500 per trip. And then how? Wait. Time out. Monster Mob, you use $500 per trade. How big is your R? Well, what is your R? Remember, look at ES 945 and 950, too smooth. What do you mean by too smooth? Like the tops? Like what does too smooth mean? They're just like cool cats. No, I'm joking. David, stop it. Of course I got jump scared. His bark is huge. Did you heard that? Massive. 0.5 to 5. Oh damn, month mob. Okay, so I guess it depends on the day. Just the two pumps slowing down before the down. Oh, interesting. Thanks, Brian. Rip 26177. Nah, I don't think so. I wouldn't even be surprised if it tries to go for Asia lows. I don't know, maybe that's a little bit too ambitious, but What's that? 26165, 163 level? Rip? Maybe that's pushing it. Maybe that's pushing it. I'm not sure. Oh, sorry, some guy. Yup. I swear it's my dog's speciality. Yesterday when I was trying to rescue those damn dogs, he's in the car barking his head off, and I'm just like, you're actually not helping the situation at all. To be sorry, I think the biggest mistake I'm making is not comparing NASDAQ with the ES. Yes and no, I do compare it. I couldn't bother comparing it yesterday because they were so freaking different. At least they look the same today. I'm up 45 since last Monday. Buy and hold is the best strategy. Trading daily is a waste of time. Okay. In a perfect world, that would be a nice target, but being on all-time high again. Rip. That's valid. I mean, it is FOMC day. Anything could happen, but yep. Candle closure below. ICT says that it means there's resting liquidity. Ah. Candle closure below resistance. Oh damn, David Unger. That's David, that's kind of like terrible but hilarious in the same breath. Didn't take out the liquidity there, but tapped into it on ES. Sugar honey iced tea. One. Ah. Holy cow. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Ah, sorry. Do you know one of those days? Okay, I'm just gonna, I need to like sit on my hands. Have you guys ever had just one of those days where every single little thing is irritating you and you feel like you just wanna, I don't know, you're just not comfortable in your own skin? That's how I'm feeling today. Like nothing is comfy right now and it's driving me crazy. Going to potentially give a return. DK, hi, what's up? How's it going? David, I want to King Corso so badly. Jordy, aren't they just super expensive down here? Just, yeah. Yes. Brian, how many days do I lose in a week? We're on Wednesday, right? I had green on Monday. I had no trade yesterday. Friday was a green day. So, I mean, today, for now, is a red day. I don't know if that answers that question. DK, I failed now. Why? Why did I fail? I'm so confused. How many days? Yep. Yep. Cool, Jordy. I'm glad it's not just me. Damn. Wait. This is. Oh, hurry up, Wi-Fi. Such a massive support zone. In the 5 minute, that trade does not look great. And this just looks too chaotic. Give me a second. 15-minute doesn't look great either. Go back to the 1. It's a lot of support underneath there. Thank you, pay for the dog. Her fingers down. There we go. Hoping for a half pump up now. Clayton. See everything. Anyways. Hey, Tony. Yeah, it's like an afternoon for me. Should the market go higher, I'll clap in slow motion. Back at my home. I'm back. What are you doing? Yeah. The good guy, is this gambling or not? No. Trading is not gambling. If you're doing it correctly. No, Jody. Hashtag life hacks. Anyways. The low form at 10.12, it's taken, it should start dropping, but if it takes the high at 10.01 first, it should continue its move. So what I hear is we don't really know what it's gonna do. Ellipses, it's your first time watching Nasdaq move. It's such a funny setup. Best for scalping, I think. Yeah, Nasdaq is pretty fun. It's a pain in the butt sometimes, but it's fun. Oh, thanks, Tony. You're so sweet. Aw, cheers, David. Good night. Good night. Enjoy. Oh, there we go, Zabach. Oh, there we go, Ellipses. Here's a question for you. Where do you think I'm from? Hey, Geordie. Hey, Geordie. Hey, Geordie, do you think I should try this? Is this a silly Billy idea? That would actually be the trade. I told you. Just like Naz crack. Jordy, I kind of like that, but that's okay. Prop market is unpredictable. The market always repeats itself in winning strategy. Jordy, yes, I'm talking short. Ooh, ellipses, no. South Africa. Hey, Michelle, how's it going? The support area here is just insanity. That's the only thing. I mean, look at it flipping, wicking into all of this. Okay, Vishal, you heard the man. Careful, he's all for banning people today. Yeah, ellipses, 100%. South Africa, all the way. Hey, there we go. S-A. Hey, Boojay, how's it going? I feel like I just missed this. A very good trade. I mean, let's see, it's respecting VWAP right now. There's all this flipping support going on around here. Literally, all this support. Hey, Rambo chick! Respected this level again. Literally tapped into that. playing out. Rather leave it and wait. I confirm by her. Yeah. No, Geordie, I'm red. I had a loss this morning, unfortunately. So do you know what was so frustrating this morning? So here, you can see here, I even said, tried the 4-hour pre-market strategy. If I'd done the 50, like my normal entry, it would have been a win. Then here, I did my normal entry, and if I'd done the flipping 4-hour strategy, it would have been a win. So that was my loss. I did my normal strategy. It was an A+ strategy, just that little itty-bitty tap in there. Very frustrating, but it is what it is. Like I said, if I'd done the 4-hour strategy, it would have been, like, perfect. Oh well. And here, I didn't take it. It wasn't an A+ setup, so I didn't take this one, and it would have been a win. So unfortunately, the one trade I took was a loss. The other two I could have taken, and I didn't take, would have been wins naturally. You know how the markets love to be mean sometimes. Can I help you, sir? Where did you get blackjacks from? Okay. Okay, he's got blackjacks on his ears now. Oh, some guy. I mean, that's valid. Lipsy's red for the day for now. See. Let's see what happens. The 4-hour strat has a better win rate in guessing. Wait, you saying in guessing or I'm guessing? Right, Geordie? Oh well, it's fine. It is what it is, but yeah. Maybe I just have to pick one and stick to one. Either just stick with the 4R and say, let's do it and see what happens, or stick with the 50. Yeah. Ellipses, that's what I'm having like debate about, right? The 4R strat has a better win rate. Does it? I'm not actually sure. I'm gonna have to go and properly backtest this. I'm gonna have to properly go and backtest this. Thomas, maybe not the worst idea, because this is not looking promising today. Oh, cool, Goshenberg. That's awesome. Oh. Oh, you. Little tease, you. We're kind of ranging, but we're kind of pushing up. Nope, I lied. Yeah, ellipses 100%, but I'm gonna have to backtest it. Goshenberg? Am I? No, I'm not. Am I muted? No, I don't think I am. Do you see how I keep like scratching my head? It's because everything is uncomfortable today. It's fine. No, it'll get better. You only need to win 25% of the time to be profitable. Keep that in mind when backtesting. No, that's valid. Maybe I should just try that. Maybe I should just really give it a proper go and just only try the 4R. I don't know if pushing 4R is like a lot though. No. Oh, cheers, Rambo. Enjoy. Ellipses, this too. Okay, quick. Let's see. Jordy, I was labeling them and then let's go back to labeling them. And the problem is I'm not taking proper note of the ones that weren't win. So it looks fantastic right now because I haven't marked all the ranges and all the losses that I could have taken. Some guy, I'm sure it does. That's actually a really good question. The rewind and the replay. Yeah, because I know TradingView is really cool with that. Surely it must. Surely it must. Oh, some guy, I think that's my internet again. It's been struggling. Let me stop streaming on this one. Here, give me a second. Yep, that would be my internet. Better? Let's see. Is it better? Not really. Is it looking better? Maybe this is just a sign that it doesn't want me to trade today. Some guy, I get it. I get the struggles. Yeah, shame. I've been putting my internet through a lot this month. I think that's why it's just going. I can't deal anymore. I think I've already gone through like 1 terabyte of data this month. Or over. Yeah. So I think my poor internet is just like, what is wrong with you? There we go. That should be a little bit better now. Hey, Zubek, yeah. Okay, is that better? How's the lagging? Good? Maybe? Time to get some Starlink. We have a change? What is a Starlink? Hey, Race Space. Well, I would say we're trading, but today's just not looking great for that. Let's see, let's give it a little bit more time. Am I looking like Minecraft? I'm sorry. Ellipses. Oh, believe me, it's been hectic. When it comes to streaming and research, and I've been having to do a project where I'm having to upload and download, and it's a lot. I've been using it for a lot. And then, you know, chill time where you brain rot a little bit and go on to different platforms. Yeah. And there we go, like Nox said, streaming 4 hours a day, every day. There is no? Huh. Some guy, yeah. The struggles are real when you're out in the middle of nowhere. Okay. The rip wasn't the high you were talking about earlier taken though? Because it was this high here at the 29725 level. So this one was taken. Or are you talking about something else? Sorry, bro. Ah, interesting. Right, what is the chart of? This is the Nasdaq futures. The micros to be specific. Yeah. There we go. No, Solly's here. Well, Solly was here. Maybe Solly went to sleep. Solly, are you still here? Damn, Bujay, that's not bad. Ellipses. SA is not the middle of nowhere, but sure. South Africa is a very big area. Where I am in South Africa. Kind of the middle of nowhere, so. My birthday. It's coming up, guys. Don't even want to tell you. But it's coming up. I'm gonna be old. I'm gonna be old soon. But oh well. Now the high has a higher probability of being taken. The rip? Why? Just because it's slowly pushing up? I wanted to forward test this 4-hour strategy on weird days like this. Would have been terrifying, but it would have been a win. Let's move it to this range now. Here and here for the 4-hour strategy. All these slow grind days. The second one, the high, now that's in the past. Okay, got it. Tube Treasure, how you doing? It's going good. It's going good. Been a long day. It's hectic, but it's fine. Is it rude to ask a lady her age? I don't know. For some ladies, I guess, but I am no lady. I am a disaster. No, I'm joking. Anyways, I am turning 27. Soon in basically you get I would say basically a month, not quite a month. What's my qualification? Don't have one. Hey Max, how's it going? No, based on the distribution of the 939 range. The rip, what else are you looking at? Well, obviously time. Jordy, nice. Okay, just got home from work. Nice. How was work? Tube Treasure. Successful day at the office. Let's see if this would have been a hit here for potential 4-hour trade. I'm kind of forward testing on slow grind days. This 4-hour strategy looks potentially promising. Let's see. What's with today? I had like 3 break evens on BTC this morning and haven't traded since. Damn, ellipse. I mean, I think it's just because it's FOMC coming up later. Imagine forcing to subsequently. Yeah. Oh, thanks, ellipses. I appreciate that. Oh, yeah, thanks, guys. What do I think about Ethereum? Raj, I haven't really... I don't have many thoughts about it, to be fair. Everyone else? Ethereum? Thoughts? Oh, nice. Max, are you even in South Africa? Okay, so now it's time for a trade or two. Tube Treasure, yeah, today's not great. Just saying, just in case you had your hopes up. Oh, sorry. I keep saying 4 hour. 4R, like RR. 4R strategy. Sorry, it's not 4 hour, it's the 4R strategy. So normally my trades would look like this. So I'm just using this itty bitty range, but yeah, as you can see, that's a 2R strategy, right? The 4R one just to start looking at around here. There we go. Essentially, entry where my stop loss normally is. The feedback if a high probability event is happening is ignored by live market pricing. Stay out of it. I might go with the lower probability today. Damn, Michelle, that was mean. Why? What? I'm so confused. That hurt my brain a little bit. In a good way. Oh, okay. I was like, what? The price action is almost the same. Oh. Yeah, that's me. Okay. Are you serious, Thomas? Damn. Even 1R is just like, nah, not today, thanks. Yo, the slow grind up is real. Yeah, sorry, ellipses. Sorry. Right, time for dog walk. Catch you in an hour. So if I'm still streaming, let's see. Cheers, some guy. Enjoy. Beware. I'm rising wedge all over space. Be careful, camera. Hey, Jason the Hole. How you doing? If you compare the top 10 moves, I might take camera. Ellipses. Oh, damn. Look at you go. Sure? Ellipses, how long have you been trading for? I feel like I had asked you. I'm sorry if I forgot. Just a boundary created by humans. Just something. Oh, Max, you're so funny. Hey, Focus, how you doing? No, Focus. That's to do with horse riding. How do you become a millionaire and own horses? Start out a billionaire. Damon, hi. Ah, thanks for the sub, Alvaro. Sorry. Don't know why I said it like that. Like 2 or 3 years, only became profitable this year though. Oh, nice, ellipses. Okay, so I have something to look forward to. I'm not profitable yet. I'm learning patience. And, well, I'm learning a lot, but patience, I think, is the key. Like in this market, part of me wants to take trades. Because I kind of want to say FOMO. It is kind of, you know, because some people are like, oh, I had this awesome trade, and I'm like, oh, I want an awesome trade as well. And then FOMO hits, and I'm like, maybe I should just trade. Bad idea. Oh, cool, ellipses. Cool. Well, I wasn't sure if I'd asked you earlier. Believe me, my brain's not quite here today, but it's okay. Boundaries are made up. It's control religion, values of life. Mix that up and you create chaos. Speaking as a Dutch. Interesting wheel of change. But, okay, hear me out. Sorry, now we're going into some weird, like, life debates. Hey, Daily Pips, welcome. Boundaries are made up out of much more. Culture, religion, values of life. Yes, mix those up and you create chaos. Mix those. Okay, no, I hear what you're saying. If you guys don't like have the same beliefs or same wants or whatever, it's a problem. You know, there's that whole opposites attract thing. I do think there's such thing as too opposite, but anyways. Daily Pips, sorry, you just joined and there's chaos going on. Focus. No, you like my little pom-pom, by the way. No, I had a headache this morning and the headbands were making the headache worse. So I popped this on because I was also a little bit cold today. Hence the Wonder Woman hoodie. By the way, no one's commented on my cool little hoodie. Rude. I'm just joking. But yeah, basically I had the world's worst headache. It was heading towards migraine. And so having the headband on was making it so much worse. And this just felt like it was holding my brain nicely. So yeah, I stuck with it for today. Wait for the price to test again on previous high. So daily pips, you think it's going to continue going back up? This slow grind is... Oh, great. Okay, so we're dropping on ES now and we're still climbing on NQ. So the chart's out of sync again. Awesome. Well, if we're talking about overall profitability, meaning investing amount versus total profit, I'm still unprofitable. Oh, no, ellipses. No, yeah, I get it. But you're having more green than red, right? We are the change? You think this is going down? Damn, if I'd made my entry at this level. Would I have trusted this though? Not enough confluences. I mean, the only... Yeah, even then, no. Don't think I would have done it. So daily pips, wait for price to test again on previous high and then sell from there. Okay. Of course, there are two opposites. Everybody claiming otherwise has no brain. Yeah. Wrong culture not to comment. Thank you, ellipses. Honestly. Where do I stay in South Africa? Daily pips? How did you know I was South African? I probably said it like 5 minutes ago. Sorry. KZN. So the South Coast. Which pairs is better for beginner trade? Sorry, I don't trade pairs. So I'm on the Nasdaq futures right now. I'm forward testing this 4R strategy. Sorry, I now feel like I've been saying it weird. Confusing people. Not 4 hour, 4R, R's. And now I sound like a seal going R. Moving on. Damn, maybe my brain's not screwed on quite right today. Let's see if this would have been a win or loss. You know, days like this might as well forward test some strategies. Okay, so it would have been tagged in. Nah, this is going to keep going down. I think this is going to be a loss. It's going to take out this liquidity on ES. Whoop, there it is. And whoop, there it is. Okay, so this would have been a loss. Let me take notes. Am I gonna kick myself? I'm gonna kick myself. Am I gonna kick myself? I had this set up. I'm gonna kick myself. This was my trade. I know it hasn't won yet, but still. Okay, so the 4 would have been a loss. Still waiting for it to break this supply zone though, so let's see. Damn. I missed something. I've missed a lot. Lipsies, good luck to you. It gets better. Thanks. It's gonna continue. It's gonna double test the previous high from there. Enter sell with nice stop loss setup. Don't mind. Financial safety is different. Immigration. Whoop. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my goodness. I'm missing a bunch. No, Rashi, if you profit, I'll treat myself to a chocolate cake. Ooh, a chocolate cake. That wasn't necessarily mean. I'm so hungry. Bujay, better to wait for longs. Wait, did Max super chat? Did I miss it? Oh, Max! Oh, thank you! Oh my goodness, I haven't even been focusing. Max? Thanks, my man. You're awesome. Sorry, can you see I was actually focused for once? David, I was asleep, then I fell off the couch. That's not funny at all. Max, shout out. You're awesome. Thank you for the support. Jeff, I hope she's going short. I wanted to be sugar honey iced tea. Oh well. I wanted this to be my trade. It was a goodie. I overthought it because it's FOMC day. This is what I was looking for. Oh, listen, it's still respecting this support zone. So we're gonna finally break through. I've missed a lot. Ooh, the rip things. I'll go have a look now. Heisenberg, why don't I eat? Am I on a diet or something? No, I just genuinely forget to eat during the day. I know that's bad. But I get so busy. So yeah. Sar Gaming. Hi, how's it going? Maybe I'm looking at swing trading culture. I told you, just think, sure, why not? You missed 2 good trades today. Wow. Max, energy train slow though. Weird thing. Wow. Sorry, ellipses, damn. Okay. Dot. Do you get it? Okay. Anyways, I genuinely forget to eat, and I do try and eat like healthy during the week. We don't speak about how unhealthy I am during the weekends though, but it's fine. Heisenberg, yeah, honestly. Nox, that looks like a good one. This one, Nox, that I missed completely. Yeah. Too late, unfortunately. Wait. Oh, wait, too much noise. It's too much noise. Give me a second. No, that one would have been good. No, I would have probably put there. That one would have been a goodie. Missed it. Okay, we're in the support zone. Is it finally gonna break out? Finally. Ellipses I can re-enter, though it looks like it'll retest the support before taking full liquidity. I don't think so, hey? I think this is just now going. I think I missed it. Maybe. Hurricane, where's... No, holy there. Yep, I missed it. That would have been a beautiful flipping trade. Damn, I would have been stressing for a good solid while there. Cool, just checking. Right, Jordy! Ugh, guys, I'm gonna get hit so quickly. Nox, yeah, this just went. Michelle, 120,000%. If I'm eating good food, I start doing like a little dancey dance. I don't know. I don't even realize I'm doing it. And then people are like, why are you doing that? I'm like, what am I doing? And I'm like, oh. Anyways. David. Double tap into liquidity there. Okay. Again, I'm gonna say sugar, honey, iced tea. I don't know. I think I've missed this. Or not, but this is a little bit scary. I have this resistance zone though. We got the change. Should zoom out a little bit more often. To be fair, I'm zooming out more than I used to do. The process, one thing at a time. Yeah. One, two, three. I want to say this was my A+ setup, but I was too slow. Let's still get in on this way. The drops page might be bearish. Yep. Hey Ishak, so I'm using top one futures and I'm trading on the Nasdaq futures. Okay. Would I've set a sell limit? Ellipses, yeah. I was thinking sell limit down. I don't know if it's the right call, but I mean, I could still get in on this. I don't know if it's a mistake though. We have a change, isn't that a lot? Out of curiosity. Is it not overwhelming sometimes? Oh, there we go. Ellipses may be too late to enter. It's also taken a bunch of liquidity. So it's probably not the best as well. Like, it's a risky one because of this flipping dump it just had there. But I did have my confluences. That's the only thing. I did have my confluences. What is wrong with people? Anyways. 1 hour confirmation, then you can look for 5-minute entry. Hey, High Life. So I was saying, if you have like too many charts and too many time frames and all that up, is it not sometimes overwhelming? Is it not like too much information? Do you not start... I don't know. Like, is it better or is it too much? Huh. Created an inverse fair value gap on ES. Is it gonna bounce off of it? In which case it's gonna go up. Degrade. I need confidence. I know. I'm trying really hard. Believe it or not, I am. In the beginning it was. Once you start to read it and you analyze more charts, you learn faster. So what doesn't crypto on that hand is market. Oh, interesting way to change. That makes sense. FX, I did think about trading gold. I even actually looked at the market this morning out of curiosity. Damn, D-grade. Nice, well done. That's amazing. 4 hours to get the overall direction, 50-minute CC short-term price action, 5 minutes to confirm stop loss. Interesting. D-grade, why are you done for today? Just not a great day to be trading. Again, these two are very different. Well, here's the 4-hour trade. Hey, Nanomix, no. I've missed this one. I was a bit too slow with this one. This previous one, like you guys said, I needed more confidence. I didn't take it. I thought we were gonna take out the high again. It would have been such a nice win. Oh well. Hey Stefan, do I have a job or is this what I do full time? I do this full time for now. Would I say you need the full hours in a day to analyze the market properly? So, I mean, this is theoretically... What do you mean by the full hours in the day? This is where the different time frames come in to analyze the market, right? Ooh, you shocked? That's not great. Zeal, so... The strategy I've been using is a 1 to 2R, so 1R, one risk, 2 reward. I'm looking at a 4R strategy. Basically, it's just taking my 2R1 and just tweaking it a little bit. Yeah, I know. That's why I'm asking. Is that why you stopped trading today? There we go. I know it's FOMC. Or FMO. It's not FOMC, it doesn't matter. I realize NQ is mostly driven by tech stocks. Yeah. I do. Still hasn't even tapped into it on ES. Okay, well. At least mitigated my risk by half there. Yeah, D-grade. It's why I haven't really taken any trades. The rip, hell yeah, I'll have a look as soon as I'm done here. Damn, FX. Interesting. Oh, ellipses, sorry. Yeah, so I use ICT and SMC confluences. And I try to keep it pretty simple, so literally top of the range to bottom of the range. If I have at least 3 or 4 confluences as confirmation that it's a good trade. And yeah, so like with this one, like I said, this one I should have taken. There were a few really good confluences there. Oh well, it is what it is. It's super simple. I think that's the main thing I try to go for, ellipses. Super simple. Draw top of the range to bottom of the range. And I'm testing. So that's what my GAN box is. Just top of the range, bottom of the range. I confirm it on the 5-minute to see how it looks. We are the change, fear of missing out. What do you mean? I haven't traded. I'm so confused. You guys are yelling at me like I've taken a trade. Anyways. I'm not sure. I'm not FOMOing. I'm actually being really good. Strategy sounds more like price action with, yeah, simplicity and market auction theory. Mirzaham, this is the Nasdaq futures, so it's not stock, sorry. Yeah, no, bro, Enki's been doing its own thing, yep. I think it's now raining. I think it's officially raining. And we're back to being stuck in this little bit of a range. Wait, did it tap into it? Hey, okay, wait, it tapped into it on ES. Tapped into the inverse fair value gap. Was it FMOC, we are the change? Oh, the news happening today. I'm gonna re-enter with the way it's retesting that resistance. I mean, it's a tad bit late, ellipses. I was thinking about it. Should I? Yeah, should I? Yeah. Let's see, I think ES is not moving at all. ES was literally properly solidly barcoding there. Ellipses, you're not trading today, by the way? Already too late, yep. Oh, yeah, so Jordy, like yesterday, sitting with those poor dogs on the side of the road, I was getting chowed, but there was nothing I could do about it. I was just watching them, like, sit on me, like I'm getting itchy thinking about it. Maybe that's why I'm so, like, agitated today. Anyways. There we go, thank you, we are the change, yes, that's the one. News, the rate cuts, yep. Really it works for NQ the best. Interesting, thanks FX. Ellipses, I don't even want to say we're traumatized from today's loss. I think I'm nervous because of the FOMC. Yep, because of the FOMC news today. And this price action's not great for me to know. NASDAQ is the top 100 companies, yeah? Yeah? Yeah, top 100. You think, what? You think peaceful sleep's a scam, Geordie? What's wrong with you? I mainly trade morning and night. Markets seem undecided in the afternoon. True. Yeah, Jack, I think that's the problem. With news coming up, it's just not ideal. I know it just kind of sounds like excuses right now, doesn't it? It's just not great. I can't say I didn't trade today. I did trade today. It's fine. Is it not better to trade after FOMC? Yep. What, Jordy? Maybe you're just Nami. Shaggy up and down doesn't respect boundaries. Yeah, so see, ellipses. Today just maybe not a good day to trade. And some people thought today would be amazing to trade. I'm hoping tomorrow is good. Man, I'm hoping tomorrow is good. I also know my luck. If I pop into trade now, it's gonna do the opposite. That's what my luck is feeling like today. Okay, fine, it is what it is. Jamie, what's the easiest trading app for beginners? TradingView, I guess? I'm actually not sure. Guys, what do you think is the easiest trading app for beginners? I mean, Jamie, there's a lot of follow-up questions to that. One red, 3 break evens, if that provides any response. Ellipses, it's okay. We can have a red day together. Because now, is this creating a... Nope. Still just going sideways on ES. I use Webull and Robinhood, but I hear they aren't good. What? I haven't even heard of those before. Yeah, I mean, TradingView, yeah. TradingView is good. Hey, Southpaw, how's it going? Oh, damn. Max, look at you go. Thanks, Max. You're amazing. Probably ellipses. Probably. We're a little bit limited in South Africa, unfortunately. Only true trader, we can only hope. We can only hope. That would be amazing. Again, Max, thank you for the support. You're awesome. Mad love. Ah, there we go. Southpaw, I'm okay. I'm good. Had a loss this morning, but it's fine. And now today's been rangy, and I think because of the news, I was overthinking things, so I took... Well, I didn't take a winning trade. Let me rephrase. Yeah. What's rand conversion to dollars? Ellipses. Here we go. So let me Google. Let's quickly see. Like the top of my there we go. Dollars to rand. So $1 is 17 rand 10 cents. Yeah. Oh damn, Max. Okay. You're a coder. That's cool. Handle coming manipulation in. Bye. Good luck. Oh, thanks, son. Never traded options either. Started with forex pairs. Now just BTC and gold. Southpaw. That's literally it, right? So yes. Blah 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 blah. I was looking at this as well. But now I feel like I'm going to be chasing price if I try get in on this. And it's taken out a bunch of liquidity, so this might be jumping up again. I didn't know. Once I saw it, I never heard of Weeble. Oh, we can trade everything in South Africa, which is, I think, right? Jordy, we can trade everything in South Africa. We're just limited to like prop firms and I'm assuming maybe some of the trading apps. I'm not sure. Ah, Zane, no, sorry, I won't go live at the news. I will probably be lying in bed eating food. Sorry, I'm super hungry. Really? No, we could trade them. And looky, that would have been a win. This is a little bit of a problem, guys. I'm getting like frustrated with myself, which is not ideal. Because now I'm wanting to revenge trade? I don't know if that's the right word. I want to call it revenge trade. I don't know if... Yeah, because I'm grumpy I missed some really good trades. Hey Mark 1, how you doing? How you been? Been awfully quiet. But I shall stay for bad. Ellipses, that's not good. Yeah, Zane, probably a really good idea. It's Mark 1, but that's fine. Whoop, what did I say about it? Just took liquidity. 4R strategy? Question mark? Is revenge trade when it hasn't taken me out yet? I mean, theoretically, it took me out this morning, Ellipses. Interesting. Jack Sam, so I'm with Top 1 Futures. Created and then reverse fair value gap over here. E. Oopsies. What, my 4R one? It is, theoretically. I'm gonna bang my head against a freaking table. If this hits TP, I might freaking call it a night there because I'm going to be so grumpy and then I am going to start taking silly trades. I can feel it already. I'm going to want to take really dumb trades. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. This felt very intentional. We're gonna have a little bit of a reversal soon. Silent, what up? What mine and my viewers buy short or long? Mine has changed to bearish. I started bullish, now it's bearish. Everyone else, what are your thoughts? Long, short? Yeah, Geordie. Ah, thanks. Ellipses, yeah. I'm not adamant about entering. Let me just... I feel like I'm going to make a mistake. So I'm probably going to call it there for today. I know it's like... It's a little bit early. But I can feel... I can feel the emotions wanting to take over. Which is a problem. Yeah, I can feel the emotions wanting to take over, which is not okay. At all. ES is still going sideways, so... Oh no! Seriously? Seriously. Okay. Okay, no. I'm gonna call it there because I can tell you for a fact already I'm gonna make a mistake. A costly mistake. And it's not gonna be worth it. So let me call it there for today. I'm frustrated, but it is what it is. Let's come back tomorrow with a better brain. That would be ideal. Let's hopefully start tomorrow without a headache, start with a better brain, and get going. Hands off and see what happens. Mike G, yeah. Yeah, because like I said, the emotions are really taking... Oh! So, this would have been a break-even trade. Yeah. This would have been break-even. I would have moved my stop to break-even around 75%. So, okay, I guess it wasn't a win, wasn't a loss either. Cheers, ellipses. Bye for now, human. Yeah, let's get it tomorrow. Ooh, nice, Southpaw. Okay. So you're bearish. Nice. Like I said, same Z's, but I can feel the emotions wanting to take over. So I can tell you for a fact that's gonna be terrible. So I'm gonna call it. Let me end it there. I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining me on this news day. I can't be super grumpy about not being risky on a news day, right? But I am. Let me call it. I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining me today. I will see you tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow's better. We've got this. Tomorrow will be better. I must just stop overthinking things. Yes, 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 we've got this. I love you guys madly. Thank you for your support. If you at least had some fun, please don't forget to like the stream. And if you do use any of the prop firms in the description, or if you want to support and just grab a prop firm, yeah, and use my code, that would be amazing. Thank you, thank you. Have an amazing day. See you tomorrow.